on camera, a waterspout spotted in Georgetown. Meteorologist John Smith is here to show us how this happened, even though we didn't have any storms in that area.
Yeah, waterspouts do tend to occur a lot of times when you don't even have any thunderstorms in the area. We'll start off by taking a look at some of that video from Georgetown earlier this afternoon, and you can see that we had a fairly impressive looking little waterspout out there, very well defined in the skies there above the waters, and you can see that little rope-like structure as it worked its way up toward the clouds. Now, what's the big difference between waterspouts and tornadoes? Well, waterspouts, first of all, tend to happen over the water, and anytime you have those fair weather cumulus clouds, you do have a little bit of lift in the atmosphere, and that lift sometimes can rotate a little bit and lead to a waterspout to form. A lot of times waterspouts are very weak and don't cause a lot of damage, if any at all. Now, when you talk about severe thunderstorms, that's a whole different issue. In fact, when you have a severe thunderstorm that can produce a tornado, you have a lot of rotation in the cloud itself and a lot of downward winds out of the storm, and those two can combine to form a funnel cloud and eventually a tornado once it reaches the ground in severe thunderstorm situations. That's the big difference between tornadoes and waterspouts. Now, we did see kind of a blend between the two back in 2001. This is the Myrtle Beach tornado that happened near the Myrtle Beach Pavilion site back in July of 2001, and we actually had a tornado form from a severe thunderstorm. At times it did make its way over the water and became a waterspout, and then eventually back over land to become a tornado once again. So waterspouts can produce damage if they are produced under the right means, but of course today's waterspout, not a big issue whatsoever, and if you see one in the sky, we always like to see that video as long as you can get it safely.
All right, John, thank you very much. And you know what? You can watch this waterspout video on the ABC 15 Facebook page right now.